Look at the woman with the sitting in her mouth.
What?
Give me that.
No, I don't care about it.
You have to choose a different lifestyle.
I don't know, I'm such a nasty.
That's what I wanted.
We go.
I try her face pretty now, make sure I go and tell. Make her feel them.
Feeling the smell of
Make her
lovely
feel
children.
never pretty.
Makeup slayed by me. Come get your makeup done at my makeup shop.
Amor face by Amor.
$7,000 per beat.
Yeah. Alicia, Amor, how you made me feel. Can I make this real?
You know, Lord.
It is in motion. Don't want no more Ed.
Look more Ed. Just look more Ed.
Little more Ed for look balance.
Wink.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Alicia. We're in the cut. You know how we do.
And you know it's the boy Rai visiting. You know she's my baby.
Yes, I'm featuring Rai on my channel today, guys. First of all, let me apologize to you guys. I know I haven't given you guys any video in 2 weeks, so we're back.
How many people are here?
I saw it when I try to become a boss bitch, these things happen.
You won't believe me, she in the streets and meet people.
Yes, I'm trying to get myself together because I want to go to the show over here. So, you understand? Before we get into the video as well, guys, I have my new video coming out soon. So I'm asking you guys to go over to my Vivo channel and subscribe. Alicia Amor Vivo. You guys have been asking me about new music, and finally I get it. So go and subscribe, share with your friends, and help support your kid. Alright, today we are going to be doing a seafood mukbang.
Bye! What, first second?
Seafood mukbang.
Mukbang?
I don't know, a mukbang or mukbang.
Alright, you guys will comment and tell us the right one. But we're doing spicy foods.
And it's real spicy. So he's having, what kind of sauce is that?
Okay, so overall it's crabs.
Yeah, it's crabs.
And I have tangerine sweet and sour sauce.
That's so fancy.
Yeah.
I have regular Jamaican shit, curry, even though I'm Indian food, but you know me, it's just a regular normal Jamaican food type of girl. So I have the curry seafood. And
The challenge is the extra spice.
Jesus.
Yeah, you want to get
Right,
one girl
this
in
guy
it,
said
though.
you want to get some pepper spice. According to the ingredients of this pepper spice, it's just blended Scotch bonnet pepper.
And for all of the Jamaicans that know about Scotch bonnet pepper, and know, so I don't know the run joe thing. I don't know hot sauce is. It's a real deal. A fire in a bottle.
But just have a little running with it a while ago because my thing say I just want a little sauce, so I taste it.
People, when they should have seen her a little while, but let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. We'll take up spoon and take up whole. I'm like.
One big gulp. Come to me a spicy queen. It will me see, I freeze like a movie that name Frozen. Never watch that?
Alright.
Right, this is so
good night.
But exactly, man, I tell the truth, but it does start pick out a little thing already because it took a while before we could have
can't wait.
started.
Me wait.
No, you don't want so much of that before
All of the pepper.
yes, I wait going a while ago.
All the pepper.
Yuck.
All the pepper.
You sure you're not extra hot?
I love spicy food, you know.
No, that hot bad man, give me a little bit. Look at the time. I just want me. And then I'm eating curry, so it kind of spicy already. So
alright.
you want to go in next.
So the first bite. So I want to feel.
Yeah, before we start talk, guys, we just have to take a bite because right hungry. Now we eat all have to eat the food. Yeah, I understand.
It's been a minute.
Yeah. As y'all know, with mukbangs, it's nothing planned. We just talk. And eat. Spicy bar now?
That will come here for?
This spicy bar.
You want to come here for the crumb push thing?
Guys, my face beat to come. I'm not talk about that. Let's go and watch. I'm not telling you, but I'm not telling you. I can't tell you everything all the time.
All the time, sure.
I keep some things to myself now. So, I think something that I want to talk about in
Voilà.
today's video.
Voilà.
We could talk.
What you want to talk about? Are you not ramping on? Who bother you now? Because, trust me, she's not miserable, but why? She's...
People don't really understand, you know. I have to have patience with you.
I have patience at clocking. My grandfather clocking.
I have to just understand something I mean, just emotional. I'm a Cancer. Some people think I'm a bitch. I'm really a sweetheart.
Sometimes my bitch is needed in life, you know.
But sometimes, which I was get me into my prime. When I realize in Jamaica, right? Jamaican people don't have a thing what we call discipline and principle and understanding. So, them just deal with people all they want to deal with people and expect them they should just understand and accept it.
Sadly, it's true.
Yeah.
Sadly.
And then somebody like me now, I'm a principled person. You think for me, I have a serious conversation and say, alright, this to get done and I say it will get done. Anything should change on your end that should not make the situation happen as our planet, then you could just say it.
Communication is key, for real. When is that you have an agreement, as you say, or an understanding of going through with a plan A or a plan B, there should be communication straight through whenever it is of anything else.
Flows and works.
Because
you
people don't read
understand?
mind. People don't read, they can't
Some
read
people,
people's mind. You have
them
to
tell
just...
us something and you know I look forward to it. So you believe in them. You know, that's how I start relationships, by believing in people. You understand? When I lose trust in you or when I not bother want to deal with you a certain way again, it's because I realize you see me? People will just be real.
For real.
That's just
For
the
real.
magic. And then I am the type of person who I always speak up against it. You know, I'm going to make you know what it's like. If my sister you go around me, they will really show you my sister you try go around me. And people don't like the truth. Like some people just not like hear the truth. As soon as they start to express themselves and try to tell them all
take offense to it.
Them take offense to it. Say you're a bitch. Say you're not a man. Say I try this them. Say all of these things. I'm just trying to express to you how I'm feeling about how this situation is dealt with. But instead, you never say I'm a bitch. I'm not. It's just a principle person.
It's just hard, you know, trying to be human with people who don't know how to act human.
Yeah. And people not understanding. Everything is about, you know, I just feel like the people have to express themselves. People back the club.
Yes.
Guys, by the way, we kind of have.
Yeah, as it's still on the topic.
Yeah.
As the link will say.
Caption, whatever that is, the title.
We'll say. Alright, so me, you know, as a business owner, I believe like dealing with customers is like the main priority when it comes down to my business. For a lot of you guys who don't know, I make clothes. I'm a designer and I do makeup and hair. So
He's really good too.
So for me, when dealing with a customer, before we even reach to anything, my main priority is to make sure that you as my customer is completely comfortable with me.
It's comfortable.
Completely and undeniably comfortable with me if you do anything.
And that is important. You know, because that's
If
how
you're
you
not
grow a
comfortable,
relationship
if you're not
with your
comfortable,
customer.
if you're not comfortable, it doesn't make sense to carry your money come give me.
And that's what makes people want to keep coming back to you. It's not just about the product, but it isn't about the way how you handle your business.
It's how you sell your business is, how you sell your business.
I'm going to give you an example. And this is one of the things that drive this topic too for me, because it's something that recently happened. So I was trying to order some skin products from a skin company that I really like. I mean, I have issues with my skin, like a lot of us females, and I'm always trying to search for natural products to help with all of these things, right? And I finally found something that I liked. I mean, I was getting good reviews from using the product. You know how that feel when you find one nice customer.
You want to run on pan it, over and pan it with every last fiber of your life.
Now let that story and now let that product here. So you know this product will keep getting your money, right? So I taken a break from it and then I decided that I wanted to order some more. Reached out to the person that I always order it from. They told me they weren't selling it anymore. However, somebody else, right, was now selling it in this area. So I said, okay. She said she was gonna put me onto the person so I could order from them.
Okay.
I was like, cool, no problem, I want the product. She
Yeah,
put me onto the
what
person. She put me onto the person now. Here is when shit get real now with customer service. She put me onto the person. The person says, okay, the product costs this amount of money, but I will deliver it to you. I want to listen to what they're saying. I will deliver it to you for $500. Alright? I said to her, no problem. Because as we know, this is how online services are. I have no problem. You're charging delivery. I'm willing to pay. However, she's telling me that the person going to deliver it not to my house and I have to meet her in half the tree. So I mentioned to her, you know, a bear company charges $500 to take the product from anywhere it is and take it directly to where you want it. That could be your home or wherever you ask the bearer man to meet you. For me, that is convenience. So I'm saying instead of me paying you $500 for you to leave your house and come meet me in halfway tree, why do we not use a bearer service? Because I don't have to leave my house if I don't want to. She's gonna flare up and tell me that me I try to tell her how to handle our business. I'm like, no, I'm just suggesting something that would be more convenient for a customer, especially considering the time, COVID, whatever. Nobody really wants to leave their house. Maybe I'm that type of person. So for my security, yeah, quarantine time now. So for my security and whatever, to stop me from going on the road, from mingling with persons unnecessarily, I'm saying let us use a bearer service. But no, she wants to make the delivery. Now I am thinking as a businesswoman, that time the way I take to come after she come meet me, you know, could I just use a bearer service and stay at your yard and go and make some more money, miss? Why you so eager to leave your yard and to come and something to do? You have a service that you can use that is charging basically the same money. Anyway, she live at Portmore and me live at Kingston. So I say I am willing to pay the bearer man $700 to come pick it up from you and come on my yard. Now we didn't have to leave your yard. Me not have to leave mine. You understand?
Yeah.
She tell me someone want to tell her how to run her business and I forgot shop somewhere else.
See, it just go on.
Block me.
Yeah.
Block me, you know?
You see that now? You call that ignorant. We call that ignorant. You're not fit to even run a business. You're not fit to even talk to anybody because you're ignorant.
I was so offended because I was really trying to get the product and
I was
thinking that
I'm not take offense from ignorant people, you know.
No, I'm offended by the way the customer service of a business, and this is really how people do business in Jamaica. This is something about Jamaicans. You know, don't take customer service seriously. Like, why not? Somebody, you go to the gas station, they make you feel like say you make them work at the gas station. You go to a restaurant, the people that make you feel like I beg you come beg some food. Like, good customer service in Jamaica is really not a thing. To be honest with you now, I'm gonna be real.
I try to be as good a customer service agent as I possibly can.
You and a lot of other people which understand you. Some people don't understand you. You see this now, them listen to me, them all send me that bitch.
Hi, for who's listening and saying she's a bitch?
Because
I see you.
Me I tell the truth, who understand, they understand.
Yeah. Right is right, because put yourself in the shoes of a customer. You would not want to be in the position of buying food or paying for anything at all, and then somebody will deal with it as if you're inconveniencing them. At the end of the day, you're spending your money.
Because of that, I didn't get the products. Because I guess she feel like her business a boom to the point that she can treat customers anywhere and lose them. You understand? Because our business a boom. So I'm not relevant.
Must be nice.
Yeah. So anyways.
People, just try to be mindful.
Somebody else suggested another skincare.
Yeah.
And I got the products.
Well, that may do. Sometimes when you see people that do the most, just leave them alone.
That's it. But the customer service we carry things.
Oh, yeah. Big man thing. It's not that hard.
Money important. sometimes you're going to want to store the girl them screw for you, like if you don't look a certain way, like they're profiling you. If you know, guess how you look, you probably not going to spend that money. I want to tell you, so sometimes you go find you look mad before.
As a stylist, I get a lot of profiling a lot because sometimes when I go to get stores to shop for other female clients and stuff, as soon as I walk in, they're like, they're in the right place. Like they're ready for roll me out, you know, basically, you know. And in most cases, I end up spending hundreds of thousands of dollars for the client because I come and shop for their clients.
Sometimes you can't really look on people.
So like customer profiling is a thing and it shouldn't be. It's a sad thing and it shouldn't be. Customer profiling. Okay, you can't tell who have money in their pocket. It's physically impossible unless you have Superman invisible visionary in their eyes.
Especially in Jamaica. And everybody like the art team when they know them have their money in their pocket. Some people are like simple.
People are with 100,000 and millions in their pocket per person. And what some people shabby things like that.
I don't know if I'm test it already. Like, I'm going to try to make myself look really bad. I'm going to see all people living different. From if I go and my Brazilian are swinging on the ears, so makeup straight down from my face, my eyelash stuck up so like 10. Come nice now, because they don't know. I'm not going to take sugar daddy money and I come spend my own.
It's awful. When I was working at a popular clothing store, that was a thing. That was a thing. That was a thing. I'm not gonna call it any names, but it was a thing. It was a thing. It's and even though they try not to make it a thing, unfortunately it always works out. So it's a thing where people can't necessarily help themselves, but to judge somebody, regardless, they just have to judge. My angry I got pepper the front yard. You know, for run.
No, what? My eyelashes together with my tongue it out.
Well, tongue it out, man. See what talking about this? You know, the pepper reach it, but it's a one.
The pepper, I'm going to my bone.
It's awful. It's awful.
So see, we eat customer service, customer profiling. I topic can't go somewhere, the conversation can't go somewhere. No.
Me like, but like, when I spend my money, I feel like I buy something for something. I feel like whatever I say I spend my money upon is a good buy.
Sure.
And if it's a bug juice, I go buy. I feel like I buy the bug juice good. I feel like every house feel like go to church.
Not because somebody come buy a bag juice, a cheese sticks and a water, they could treat me different.
From the one who come buy the 5 pound of chicken and the pint of peas.
You want the oxtail, because oxtail there, you know. So I just buy some oxtail, you must say, nice, something that you know.
Well, that's true.
If you don't follow it, you don't understand.
You respect people, man, bad to bad. Respect people, man. Crazy.
God knows if that conversation is going to work, but we're hoping to get something from it.
I'm aware I am with this I eat.
I'm not a hard person to deal with.
You get the man problem to the door.
I lie.
The man ignorant fear to them. People, the man ignorant fear.
I don't mean that to know. No, it's always been here.
The man ignorant fear. The man can cut her, the man cut her.
People come in and take people bullshit. Some people come to you with some foolishness and cut off. Some people come to you with some foolishness sometimes. You just have to just make them know say foolishness.
I know why you're that.
Anyway, they don't know where we at, so we'll tell them that again. My hair's full.
I'm having it. Yeah, it was awesome.
And you guys probably want to know what our seafood platter from Lucky Crab.
Please Lucky Crab.
It's a Lucky Crab.
So I'm eating spicy sweet tangerine.
It's nice. I'm get that
thumbnail. Smile.
Nice. to all them thumbnail on it. Don't think about big one. Go big or go home. Ready? Come on.
Talk about that one.
Oh, come look at closer. Everything is sure.
It's right on the throat. This is for organic. No, is it this one?
I don't know if you eat crab. Everything that's a drop, so.
Is that skill?
No, that's why I don't like eat seafood because I think that's too much work. Like, I just want to put the food in my mouth.
I'm just calling it a day.
Watch out this now. You still give me a struggle now?
That's Viking.
What is this?
That's Viking. Bite it open, and then, yeah, I'm going to allow it in there.
It tastes good, but it's not too much bites you forget to that to something. No, for sure. See when I can't bother with the seafood, guys. To be honest, I don't really like seafood. Just bite because.
I'm a crayfish fan.
Because crayfish are like a donkey now, man.
I'm calling it a nice.
How them work out? Look how my hand just messy my mouth, messy.
Oh, that dribble out.
It tastes good, well.
It really does. It really, really does.
But at the amount of work we have to put in it. Just a bite, just a crick, just a crack. You cook it?
It's a workout in itself.
Mother, so I feel like I eat a plate of insect.
Yes, the antibiotic chef go on now.
It's like that.
Beat your back.
Leave it in the comment section if you don't want to see more videos like these or more videos with Ryan.
I'm there. If you want me, request me. Yeah, man.
Follow Ryan on his Instagram channel at the boy Rye or at Rye Studios. Check out him work. Young designer coming up, and sometimes I can give the young people them a chance, you know. Work with them, because sometimes them have more ideas, more creative, and can go on with them.
Yeah, man, when I check my page out, I realize, yeah, man, I want proper young designer.
I'm tired of that food, yeah.
You tired of it?
You said the food that work me out like me there at gym.
Oh, I don't need to.
Food that stress me, man.
Oh, I don't need to. I can't bear with them, man.
Come make a workout.
Can't bear with them, it's correct.
My hands are so messy. I feel like a baby, like when I teach people to eat food for the first time. Talk about it.
This is not the spiciest thing you ever eat?
No, it's not the spice that's bothering me. It's the workout. You know, if I'm going to gym, I'm a candle. And sometimes I just want to think about the workout and stress out.
I remember at morning time by myself. See how my body fit. You see the mesh shirt, you know, so you see the body and
this is our workout. Our workout is spicy Fanta, man. Make it work.
spicy butter.
You got about my ASMR?
I'm always wondering what that means.
I don't know, but I just know it's when you hear the sound of the food. Some people think it's like therapy.
Come see what time we're going to break it down. AS? People are laughing now. Alright, ASMR. Yeah.
Stupid mother asshole.
That is not, I'm sure. Them Chinese people won't be saying that.
Yeah?
Them Chinese people not say that.
Yeah.
Chinese people originally come up with it. AMSR.
A stupid mother asshole. Freaking crabs in their mouth. And people sitting down watching dancing is actually funny and cool.
You actually sit down and watch them? The Amors are really good.
Sometimes I try,
I watch them.
but the sound, I can't listen to it for too long.
I watch them, and I like actually watching them and telling them prepare the food first, and then eat it.
I like
We love the
what's
process.
her name? Blob Seafood.
Blog seafood.
Beloved Seafood Mukbang. Fair one then. I watch. And I want to mix it up, and she have guests, and she and them sit down, like other popular YouTubers. She and them sit down and she asks them questions, and they just eat seafood.
It's a vibe.
And she's so big in it, she have her own like sauces and stuff.
So she's like a chef.
No, she just do mukbangs on YouTube. Just sit down and eat seafood in every video.
But that's how it is.
She like it, but she have millions of subscribers doing that, and she's doing well for herself just doing that. So you see, enough things you can make money to. You can't ask start a YouTube channel and just work.
Yeah, people.
YouTube is actually work.
There's just a lot of avenues to make money, to sit down and say, yo, you can't make the money and the money they don't.
You can use your own phone to make money. But you just have to work. Like, you just have to know that, alright, they're going to get big on YouTube and this is going to be my 9 to 5.
So you just put in the work.
Oh, put in the work.
So let's just say you go big, I put in the work for big.
Just do all the things that you know you need to do to get there. Do your research. Be consistent. Have a plan and be consistent. It will work. Me I tell you that, but I'm very inconsistent. But I'm trying to be consistent now. You understand? Cause
You see it.
when I get bigger now, we want to do it if it makes sense.
No, but YouTube channel, but I post up nothing. For my YouTube, I'm going to like mostly when I'm sewing.
What would you do if you have a YouTube?
No, I'm sewing.
Hey, this hot, you know?
I done.
Take a bite in a party a while ago. Brother, come and have the pepper on my bites.
Yeah, who could eat this? This game, what is your one?
Yes, that's okay. Chest problems. Who are?
Don't forget how I get it. I'll finish it.
It getting to you know?
Yeah, it is. Tap out.
Why next time we finish this?
Yeah, we're going now too. We'll mash it up. We never make it crack away. We can't make it crack away. You're crazy. Can't get crack away.
Alright guys, so yeah, we have clean up. So Alicia give me a problem with the whole trip. No, I'm not laugh.
Papa Rosin.
Yeah, I thought you guys had a problem. I can't ask if to get answer the phone.
No, me can do it still.
It really is.
Alright.
That's it, no check. Mama
That was
used to
actually-
tell me it's not good for you, girl.
I didn't just know.
I know what she learned.
No, make sure say that, yeah.
Right, so, alright guys, so this is the end of the video with our list. No, my name. This is the end of the video with your girl Alicia Amors
And the boy, right? This was really fun.
yeah, enjoy it.
This is really fun. I mean, I'm not going to tell you, say, I'm not going to tell you, say, me want to come do this back anytime soon.
Maybe not with seafood.
But more on this
Maybe with
again.
fried chicken next time.
Fried chicken? Those buffalo wings.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the buffalo wings challenge. But yeah, and this is our ban. Sorry, again.
Seafood mukbang.
This was our spicy seafood.
Spicy. It was really
Spicy high seafood mukbang.
Okay guys, so we're tuning out. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and to all our OG subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support.
Yeah man, she love you. She love you. She love you. Love me. Click the like, click the bell, and follow that.
Subscribe to my Vivo channel, Alicia Amors Vivo. Video come out soon. Alright, love you guys.
Bye.
Body like sauna, bedroom saga.
Yeah, I can.
Hola, they come out and run like water.
I want to eat man. Ready? Oh, I don't know.
Hola, look more.
Make the sound now. And the effects that I put in. Yes, you have this.